Hello everybody, this is Akanksha Singh and I'll be taking you through the entire series of maths and science. Hey students, today we're going to do mixtures. Now again, mixture is a topic of chemistry. We'll be covering the mixture chapter from class 6th. Now mixture, as the name suggests, I hope you guys are having an idea of what mixture is. Mixture is when you mix two substances together. It is called as mixture, right? So whenever you take two substances and try to mingle them together, it becomes a mixture. So let's study about how many types of mixtures we have and what is a mixture. Okay, so anything that you mix with another thing, that mixture is an impure mixture, right? It doesn't become pure because purity means only one substance, and when you mix two substances, it becomes an impure combination. So therefore, mixture is always impure, and during mixture formation, substances do not react; they just show their properties as such, right? So they do not change their properties. So whenever you mix two substances together, we don't expect that there will be an explosion or there will be some other ions developing. Rather, we'll be expecting that each of these elements inside the mixture will show their property as they are. Okay, so that is a mixture. So mixture is of two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So we'll be understanding the concept and the differences between the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixtures. So I hope you've got the point that mixture can never be pure, and a mixture can always and one more thing that you have to understand about mixture is that mixture, when you mix two things, you can mix any two things, right? Any two substances can be mixed together. But don't think that their properties, the original property of the substances would change. No, they would remain the same. So now, keeping these points in mind, we will then discuss about two types of mixtures. One is homogeneous mixture and the other one is called as heterogeneous mixture. Now, homogeneous mixture, as the name suggests, homogeneous means uniform, right? And heterogeneous means not uniform. So we'll be discussing about the two mixtures in deep today. Now, what is a homogeneous mixture? Now, homogeneous mixture, okay, let me take up an example. What happens when you mix sugar with water? So initially the sugar is not dissolvable in water, but when you keep stirring it, it keeps dissolving into water, and finally it will be mixed with the water, right? So what is that kind of mixture called? Now, when two substances are mixed together such that they have uniform distribution like the sugar had in water throughout, it is called homogeneous mixture. So that is the difference. Now when you mix that substance, when you mix any substance with another substance and both become uniformly distributed throughout, that is called as homogeneous structure. Likewise, I gave an example of sugar being dissolved into water. So similarly, there are other examples also, like air and oxygen being dissolved into water. Now, this is another example. Now, all of us know that whatever water we drink, we have oxygen content into it, right? So oxygen is when dissolves into water, it has an homogeneous structure. So distribution throughout the water. It doesn't mean that I when I drink one third of the water, I'm not going to get any type of oxygen, and when I drink a whole glass of water, I'm going to have oxygen, right? So there's a difference between the two. So always understand that even when you drink one third of the water, you are going to have the oxygen content and the water content equally distributed into the water content. Okay, so that is all about homogeneous mixture. So always remember, homogeneous mixtures are the mixtures that dissolve and form a uniform distribution throughout, right? And example also, we have discussed two examples: sugar dissolved into water and air and oxygen dissolved into water. So these are the two examples of homogeneous mixtures. Moving ahead to heterogeneous mixtures. Now, heterogeneous, as the name suggests, that there's no uniform distribution, right? So let us understand an example. Now, what happens when the sand is mixed in water? Have you ever tried mixing sand with water? You can never mix sand with water, right? So that is what, when you put in sand into water and try to mix it, what happens? Or when you try mixing iron filings in the water, is there a mixture formed together uniformly distributed? No. That is called as a heterogeneous mixture, because both the contents will not be dissolved. Now, a mixture in which the substances are not uniformly distributed is called as heterogeneous mixture, right? So that is heterogeneous mixture. So I hope you've understood the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Again, I'll go through once again what is a mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances. When mixed together, it is called as mixture. Mixture is always impure, that you have to understand. And during mixture formation, there's no reaction of substances together. It's just that the substances show their property inside the mixture. Okay, so that is what we have studied about mixture. Later, I told you mixture are of two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now, homogeneous mixture, as the name suggests, homogeneous mixtures are the mixtures that have uniform distribution, whereas heterogeneous mixtures are the mixtures that do not have uniform distribution. So you can say that homogeneous mixtures, example of homogeneous mixtures are when you dissolve sugar with the water, that is an example of homogeneous mixture. Or when you see air and oxygen being dissolved into water, you do not see it, but that mixture has oxygen and air. So, and it is uniformly distributed. So that is homogeneous mixture. And what is a heterogeneous mixture? A heterogeneous mixture is the one that does not have a uniform distribution. For example, when you mix an iron filing or a sand in the water, you do not find it to be dissolved into the water. So that is the example. Now, I have given you a kind of homework. Now, the questions are: what is a mixture? I hope you can answer this. What is a homogeneous mixture? Again, I know you can answer it. And the third question is: give one example of heterogeneous mixture. We have sufficiently given examples in the video also. And I would like to give you, I would like you guys to suggest me with more kind of examples so that I can see your creativity, right? So please put in your answers in the comment boxes and I will go through your answers. In case of any correction, I will let you know. Please put in the feedbacks in the comment zone, and do like my video and subscribe my video. Thank you so much for being patient.